Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you two places that you can visit as a tourist when you come to Benin Republic. Now, there are not so many tourist centers in Benin Republic, but there are some amazing places that you can visit. So I'll be showing you the museum, and I'll be showing you, and I'll be taking you to Bab Docks. So because this is a public holiday and because you're not allowed to do videos inside of the museum, I will not be able to show you inside today, but maybe I would in another video. So let's go. We are done at the museum and we are currently in front of where we can get a boat to Bab Docks. The road to Bab Docks is very good, but until we got into like the road or the street leading to the dock itself, we realized that there was a construction ongoing, so a little part of the road is sort of muddy, but it's okay. I'm sure by in the coming months it should be done, so you'll be good if you're driving. So it rained earlier this morning, so the ground is a little bit wet, but we are good. We're happy to be here. So now we're just going to go get a boat and then we'll take a ride through the mangrove. Woo-hoo! Then when we're done with the mangrove cruise, we would arrive at Bab Dock, maybe have lunch. I think that they have a little zoo there. Maybe have some lunch, take some nice pictures, and then we'll come back. Let's go.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
My favorite part of this mangrove cruise is when the mangrove opens up into this vast expanse of water. You see those two holes there? Yeah, it's a beautiful view coming out from all of these trees, all of this mangrove, and opening up into this expanse of water. It is a beautiful, breathtaking view. It's the place where you should do those videos. It's a place where you should take those pictures. It's actually very, very beautiful. So let's continue with our journey to Bab's Dock. I'll see you when we get there.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Welcome to Bab's Dock, let's go!
As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
My fear is that my dress is going to get really dirty because it rained. What did they do here though? Maybe this is like a military training center. Let me take a look. Let me just do a quick tour. Do a quick tour of what Bab's Dock looks like. So I guess this is all sitting areas. You know, this is another sitting area, as you can see here. They have donkeys over there. Do you think it's be a good idea to just change my dress because of it's yellow and everywhere is wet? Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Bien, merci.
Good evening.
Good evening. Oh, sorry. This is not the right way. To change, Abby. You have monkeys. You have a zoo. Is animal where you keep animals. There's this donkey and the monkey. And
That is
where is it?
crocodile is there.
Okay.
That is
In the water. Oh my god, that is crazy. But they are inside the toilet changing. Oh Jesus. They have monkeys in here. Hi. Also, this is whatever it is. This stink, man. It's a male. This thing. Yeah. And the one that is a man, he's just sitting with his leg open with his penis out.
At the time of doing this video, it was already like lunchtime, and I was losing daylight and I wanted to get done with this video. So I'm using my tripod. You can actually go sailing at Bab's Dock, and you can also go kayaking at Bab's Dock. They have about one double kayak and 2 single kayaks, and they are all sit-in kayaks. If you don't know what that means, maybe you can Google it. Sitting kayaks are different from sit-on kayaks. I know this because I teach kayaking in Lagos, Nigeria. We are done now and it's time to go home. We had a beautiful time at Bab's Dock. Their meals are cool, their meals are nice. It is actually a green, sustainable place. So the toilet is not water, it's not like you can't flush. You actually poo in a pit and then cover it with sawdust. Yes, that is what the toilet is. I was shocked at first and I couldn't use it because I couldn't imagine sitting down in other people's urine and excreta, although they are covered with sawdust and there are sawdust inside the toilets. It's just something I couldn't do. And I think also that the excreta and all of those stuff from the animals are used to make fertilizer, because I could see a vegetation on the right hand side of Bab's Dock. So I think it's a sustainable place. So if you are very environmental friendly, like you're all about sustaining the environment and all of that, yeah, Bab's Dock is a place to go. It's really beautiful. So I heading back, I was taking the mangrove again. This time people are sitting in front trying to take those Instagram worthy pictures for the gram. Yeah, I had a good time. I hope you also enjoyed watching this video with me. Please share this video with your friends, with your family, WhatsApp group, everywhere. Please help my ministry. I want to get to 200 subscribers before end of Q3, so make it happen, guys. I trust you, I believe in you. Thank you. We are done now. We are going back to our hotel. The next video I'll be showing you everything you need to see at the Python temple, so don't forget to watch that video also. Until I see you again, it's bye for now.